Cut your workflow and culling in half using Narrative Select, who's sponsoring this video. Get it for free in the description box below.
Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and today I'm bringing you behind the scenes of a photo shoot in this beautiful natural light space. Narrative Select is a smart, fast, and accurate image culling software that uses smart text to ensure that you are able to select the best images from your session in a quarter of the time. It doesn't choose the images for you, rather it alerts you on what is objectively good and objectively bad, such as if your image is slightly out of focus or if somebody's eyes are blinking, but the tech is smart enough to know when eyes are meant to be closed or looking down. Unlike other programs, Narrative Select allows you to import thousands of raw files in seconds with no wait time as you toggle between the images. All you have to do is import your photos, cull through, and then you can export them over to Lightroom CC or Lightroom Classic and do your editing from there. Narrative Select is totally free for you to use, but you have to sign up using the link in my description box below. Try it for yourself and you can thank me later. Let's get into the video. So we're gonna start out where Frankie is sitting down on the ground and her back is to the window, and then she's gonna be looking back. She'll be adjusting her dress. Frankie's gonna have her hands up by her face, fluffing her hair out, but her fingers are going to be placed just so where they're almost dancing around the face line rather than a claw in the front and like the front of the hand. We really want this to be nice and relaxed. The wrist, collarbone, and the waist are very feminine features, and so if you can get the wrist in there, it adds a little bit of that delicacy. So I'll probably actually have you, Frankie. Oh, that's perfect. That's beautiful. And then, yeah, I'm gonna have you now. Okay, this is gonna feel like unnatural, but you're gonna try to arch your back. Yep, exactly. Okay, so I'm gonna have you arch your back even more. Oh, this is so beautiful. And then look up at me. Perfect, and stay just like that. I just need to get the framing a bit more. And with your other hand that's down, I'm gonna have you just bring it to this side. Yeah, there you go. And just kind of loosen your fingers up ever so slightly. Shake it out. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, that's so beautiful. And then pop your eyes up at me. Turn this wrist in. Yep, there you go. I know it feels like kind of weird, but. And then scrunch that shoulder up. Yeah. Oh, drop this hand a bit more. Yeah. Just so we see the sleeve, but we get a bit of the blue. So you can almost kind of let it hang maybe, if that's possible. Yeah, there you go. Turn it so I see, yep. And then look out towards the window. And now do even more of a dramatic look where we get your jaw. Yes, so beautiful. Stay just like that. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that's good. There we go. And then just turn your face this way. And then with your hands, I'm gonna have you just be like adjusting your sleeve really delicately. Yeah, beautiful. And now I'll have you put your arms down. Yeah, beautiful. So beautiful. You're amazing. You look so amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna move into some backlighting shots, and actually right now I have her almost completely in the shadows, but the way that this is gonna look once it's edited nice and moody or even black and white, so dramatic, and we're just getting like the shadow on her chest, and it just looks so pretty with her hair, a little bit of that light kind of dancing on the side. So I am going to just turn the chair out so that then we see it more in the photo, more of the blue rather than the back of it. Okay, I'll turn it at an angle so that you can really scoot in as much. Your booty can go like right here. And then that should be a bit more comfortable when you put your, so then you don't have to stretch. Okay, we're gonna start with close up, and then, so we don't have to worry about posing the rest of the body, and then we'll move into full body. If you are looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, come on over to my Build and Bloom Photography Facebook group. This is my best resource for asking questions about your work, feedback on your website, or if you're having a tricky client situation, you could use some help writing a response too. Build and Bloom is free to join, and you can find it on Facebook groups. Be sure to hit subscribe so that you're the first to know when new free tutorials for your photography business come out every single week. And for daily tips, tools, and resources, follow along over on Instagram at Jessica Whitaker. Don't forget, you can get Narrative Select for free using the link in my description box below, and I will see you over in my next video where I'm gonna bring you behind the scenes on another shoot in the same space, but with a musician, Zan Fiscum. I'll see you there.